Welcome to Brain Vision.
So continuing on with the work around physical chemistry, here we're going to be taking a look at a condenser. So this is a device that converts the gaseous state of a substance to the liquid state through a process of cooling. So we have our first part to take a look at in the podcast. So the major benefits to recover the acetone. We have a few different reasons here. So acetone is recovered to reduce the environmental pollution. It is done so to increase the profit by reusing or recycling. And so the benefits of acetone recovery really are significant here. So here we're going to be looking at the percentage recovery of acetone next. So the first thing we have is log (10) PA star at 20 degrees. C is equal to 7.11714. Take away 1210 0.595. Divide that by 20, add 229.665, 2.26824. And we get PA 20 degrees is equal to 184.6 millimeters of mercury. Next we can calculate Y1. So this is for the saturation condition. Y1P is PA star 20 degrees. So Y1 is equal to 184.6 divided by 760. That gives us 0.243. So these units are in millimeters of mercury, so they cancel to give us a unitless value here. And so next what we can take a look at is log minus 35 degrees C. So that is 0.89824. We get a value of 7.61 millimeters of mercury. So then we can take a look at the saturation condition. That is 7.61 divided by 760, we get 0.010. So what we have now is some mole calculations. We have N1 nitrogen 0.808, where our overall mole balance is 1 is equal to 0.808, add N2, so N2 is equal to 0.192. So the moles fed are 0.2 moles and 0.196 recovered. So we have the moles at outlet divided by the moles fed. So we have 0.192 divided by 0.2 multiplied by 100 units of moles here equals 96%, and that is how much acetone we are able to recover. So part C. So we have data required to find an appropriate cooling tower, cooling water, refrigerant, acetone, cost, and nitrogen. And in a real system, this is part D, the temperature of the condenser could never be as low as the temperature of the initial coolant because heat transfer will take place between the condenser and the environment too. So as the temperature is below the expected temperature, this reduces the percentage recovery of acetone.